Hey guys, I'm back. This is gonna be my first video with my audio on. So today, guys, we're gonna pick up a truck today with the off-road basketball 23 truck. Gonna pick up a truck and see where it is. My buddy said it's somewhere near his shop. I don't know where, so we're gonna try to go find it. But we'll talk about, I thank y'all for the 260 subscribers. Let's try to get to 300. On this truck. Pretty sure it's up here, I'm not sure. But it should be somewhere. I'm gonna stop by the gas station and get some gas. I'm gonna go on gas. Oh look. I wonder who that is. Pulled in. I'm like, my trailer's not getting no gas. Okay, let me try to pump my gas real quick. Okay. This. Back in my truck. There we go. I'm pretty sure it's up here. I have to it might be right here. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm trying to see. Okay, let me go next to my other truck. Get the other truck. Okay, so here's my new truck. I've been working on it for a little bit. It's right here. It's my new Chevy right here. Let me give y'all a little like 360. Yeah, it has all this stuff on it, like this and stuff, the rims. I'm trying to get a little bit better at customizing and stuff and putting details on my truck, but I guess I gotta head back to my house. So I'll show you how my new truck. What am I doing? Touching my trailer. Okay, now let's go. Let's see if we can make it up here. I think I'm gonna have the throwing package on this thing. I have to put it on there. Or I might just need to upgrade it. Just up here. Oh, my phone's on 27 minutes. This is really up. And we're at the house. Let's unload. We're going to the house. And that's how we're gonna end the video, guys. See ya tomorrow. Off-Road Basketball 23. Subscribe.